And I think that no matter who you are, no matter your circumstances, your story matters. You might look at my content and wonder, why would a practicing physician care so much about biographies? Well, my story has a very humble beginning. Sometime in 2013, my parents visited me, and in discussions with my dad, I realized that he had a copy of my late paternal grandfather's biography in his possession, so his dad. I, of course, was very excited. Mind you, this is a man I never met, so much so that I asked my dad to please also write his story. And I assured him that he didn't have to bother about typing it. He just had to dictate it into a tape recorder, and I would take care of the rest. And within 24 hours, I had a tape recorder for him. And he was very excited to note my enthusiasm. And that's how everything started. But I finally brought it to publication in 2018. This is actually the motivation behind my passion in getting people to tell their stories, to save their stories for themselves, for their children, for their families, for posterity. I happen to think that everybody's story matters, and not necessarily talking in a morbid sort of fashion, but even somebody living could write a story that could educate somebody else. And I think that no matter who you are, no matter your circumstances, your story matters. I hope that 2024 was a productive year for you, and I wish you a fabulous and successful and joyful 2025 ahead. I hope that you will follow our movement so that we can take you through getting your biography done this coming year. I can assure you, I can promise you, you will be very proud and very happy that you got this done.